After reviewing these two Smart Egg Labyrinth puzzles, BePuzzled and I decided to donate them to a school for a fun new classroom puzzle. The kids have one thing to say.
Thank you, BePuzzled!
Welcome to the review video for the Smart Egg Labyrinth puzzle. Smart Egg Labyrinth puzzle, Zig Zag. This is meant for ages 8 and up, but I find it fun, and I'm older than that. Also, thank you, BePuzzled, for sending it over for a review. Let's take a look at it. This puzzle type is the type of egg puzzle where you put the wand in the top, and then you have to kind of weave it around through the puzzle and have it come out the bottom at the end. The neat thing about this is it does have an element of replayability, and what I mean by that is some puzzles you solve them and then they're done. You know how to solve them, and it's not that much fun to do them again. This has a challenge with them. How fast can you finish it? And so I like that they give that as kind of an added, it's not even, I mean, it's written right on the box, how fast can you finish it? It's part of it that you would try this, figure it out, and then try and race through how fast you can do it. So before I show this solution, I'm going to race it for fun, just so that you can see. I'm not a professional, but just so that you can see it, and then I will give a full, more detailed solution as I usually do in my videos. But let's go ahead and have a spoiler warning break as we watch the egg dance a little bit. Oh, I don't really know how these tournaments work. I saw it one time on a video. So I'm just going to keep my hands on the side. 3, 2, 1, go. I'm not even going to run an actual timer because I don't know. I don't know how to do that. Come on. No. Okay, he kind of got stuck in there. That's too bad. So that was me beating it in my almost fastest time. I don't know. I don't even know. I haven't timed it. But it's fun, so you can do it over and over, and that's the point, is that this is a fun egg puzzle. I like these puzzles. They're put together well. They're not going to break. I've let my kids play with them. We've had several of them, and the kids like them. They're fun. You can give it to them, and they can get frustrated and actually have to think their way through problem solving, which I love. So a couple of things I do love about the puzzle. The one concern I have, and it has been addressed, and that's that these things look kind of breakable. But with kids of the appropriate age, you shouldn't have a problem with it. I haven't had one break yet. And the newer, the 2-level puzzles, they are actually made out of metal, so they can't, well, you could bend them, I suppose, but they're very sturdy. So I highly recommend this puzzle. Let's go ahead and get into the solution. The solution time for the Zig Zag puzzle. To solve this puzzle, we begin by putting the wand into the top. We turn it, and as you're turning it, you do have to actually push this ball slightly to the side so that it will go over to there. If you try and push it straight through, it won't go. So you go to the side slightly so that it comes out there. Then you're going to twist the whole wand so that it can come through here. Then we're going to twist back and drop it down through there. So on this side, we're kind of twisting it over like that so that it's coming through here. And this, it comes through the top section of this one that has sort of 3 connected there. And then what you don't want to do is try and pull it back through here. Just drop it straight down and actually bring it in this way. So you can't bring it through that way. You bring it in this way, and then it goes down, and you don't see it inside here, but you're going to slide it over to there. And to do that on this side, it means sliding it like that. So you're going to slide it from here down and then inside till it comes out here. And where you want it to come out is underneath. Again, you've got 3 in a row. I mean, this one's connected up top there. But you can see these 3 in a row, and that's going to be very important for your solution, that it comes out underneath there. You could also slide it the other direction, but that's going to lead you to a bunch of dead ends. So you come out here, and then you want to drop it down to the bottom here so that you can go up. And from there, it comes straight out. And this is where I got stuck on that one, is that I brought it straight down here. You have to bring it in and then down, and then it actually turns over to there, so it'll slide right along that groove. And that is the full solution for the Smart Egg Labyrinth Zig Zag puzzle.